Ever wondered why security principles are so important? Well, they're the bedrock of a robust cybersecurity framework, providing a clear roadmap for maintaining the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of data and systems. Imagine trying to navigate without a compass. You'd be lost, right? That's what security measures would be without clear objectives. Now let's talk about our first point. Security principles establish the objectives for all security efforts. They're the guiding light, the North Star, the beacon that shows what you're trying to achieve in terms of protecting sensitive information, ensuring system reliability, and preventing unauthorized access. Next, security principles help shape the scope of a security program. They're like the blueprint of a building, defining the boundaries of your security measures so you can tailor your efforts to the specific needs of your organization. This not only prevents overinvestment in unnecessary security measures, but also ensures no vulnerability is left unaddressed. Moving on, we find that security principles are the core values for security professionals. They're the common language that all security experts can adhere to, promoting consistency and best practices. Now, let's talk about the CIA. No, not that CIA. We're talking about confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These principles form the cornerstone of cybersecurity, ensuring that data is kept private, accurate, and accessible when needed. And remember, security principles aren't just for dedicated security projects. They should be considered in all projects and aspects of an organization. Every decision from software development to hiring practices should take into account these principles to protect against vulnerabilities and threats. Lastly, we can't forget the human factor. It's often the weakest link in a security system. Even the best technological defenses can be compromised by human errors or malicious actions. That's why security principles stress the importance of training, awareness, and vigilance among employees. So, to wrap things up, security principles are the compass, the blueprint, the language, and the cornerstone of your security efforts. They're the guiding light that helps you navigate through the complex world of cybersecurity, ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your data. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the importance of security principles and want to learn more about the world of tech, why not subscribe to Demystify Tech? Stay safe, stay informed, and keep demystifying tech.